Indian IT giant Infosys has been fined 175,000 euros or around 2 crore rupees by France's Regional Labour Authority over shortcomings in its employee time tracking system. According to a regulatory filing, the penalty was imposed by Trides Île-de-France after an inspection found that the company's working time recording system did not fully comply with French labour laws. The authority said the system failed to meet legal standards for recording and monitoring employees' working hours for certain categories of staff. Under French law, employers must maintain reliable and verifiable records of working hours, including overtime and rest periods. The regulator found that Infosys' system lacked the required level of reliability and auditability. Infosys said it received the order on July 24th and is reviewing the decision before deciding its next course of action. However, the company maintained that the penalty would not have an impact on its financial position, operations, or overall business.